Hi children, good morning. Today is Monday. On Mondays, what are you going to do? On every Mondays, we read English. So today it is English time now. Last week, Miss Juno would have introduced this to you. You all remember? What is this? It's P. Are you all able to hear? It's P. P. Now let's see, where do we see the sound? Please come. You see P. P in pear. Sorry. Pear. Parrot. Are you all able to hear the sound P? Pants. Pirate. Pant. Pirate. Penguin. Purse. Peace. Pencil. Pan. Pan. Per. And pan. So these are all some of the words where you find the sound P. Then where all will you see it? You can see it in a pot. A pot. Pot. Then pickle. You eat the pickle, right? Pickles. Then paper. Pain. When you hit on something or somebody hits you, you feel the pain. Then pushing the door, pulling the door while you push and you pull. Then you have paste, the toothbrush, the paste that you use every morning to brush your teeth. It's a paste. Pillow, the pillow you use to sleep, pillow. Then your favorite pasta, you all love pasta. Then your favorite color, pink. Girls love pink. Then you have pour. You'll pour water. Pour. Then you have pig. Your favorite Peppa Pig. Pen. Pencil. Pig. Your favorite Peppa Pig. Then you have clip. Sweep. Your mother sweeps it. Are you able to hear P? Sweep. P. Then you have ship. P. Are you all able to hear? Ship. Then you have hip. Then zip. You all zip your bags, no? Zip. Are you able to hear P? Then you have top. P. Lamp. Then where else? Mop. After sweeping, your mom mops the floor. Mop. Then pack. You pack something. You pack your bags. Pack. P. Pack. P. Pack. Then jump. You all love jumping, no? Jump. Okay. So what you do is go around the house and look for the sound P. The words that has the sound P. Okay. Now, as usual, we are going to start with this sandpaper letter. Shall we go ahead and do it? Use your 2 fingers. Starting from here. Start from here. Go down. Then come up again. And circle. Draw a circle. We'll do it again. Go down. Come up. Sorry. I'll use my left hand to do it. Go down. Come up. Circle. Go down. Come up and circle. So, go down. Come up. Circle. P. Then, you are going to do your practice P in your favorite sand tub. Shall we do it? So starting from here, go down, come up and a circle. P. Shall we do it again? Starting from here, go down, come up, P. Will you try doing this? Okay. Now, we'll practice this here. What is this? This is a peacock. Peacock. While telling the word peacock, are you able to hear the sound P? Peacock. P. Peacock. P. Pen. P. Peacock. Okay? Now we'll see how to trace it. Shall we start? Go down, come up, and a circle. P. Pen. P. Go down, come up, and draw a circle. P. Go down, come up, circle. P. Go down, come up and draw a circle. P. Did you see? Are you all able to see how to trace P? Okay. So after tracing it, we'll now see what the exercise that we are going to do for today. Open your English worksheet and go to page number 20. What do you see here? You see P here, P. Okay, now what are you going to do is P as in pen. We have given the space for you to trace P. Trace along, and you can write it all by alone, all by yourself. All alone by yourself, okay? Then go to page number 21 and identify the picture and trace the word. Okay, that begins with the P sound. That begins with P sound. What is this? It's a pan. P. P. So you are able to see P here. Trace P. This is pan. P. Then what is this? It's a pen. P. Are you able to see? Pen. Trace here. Then it's a pot. P. P. So trace P. Then what is this? It's a pin. Pin. Trace the pin here. P. Okay? You would be doing both these pages, page number 20 and 21 today, and tomorrow you will open your homework note and you see, open the page number, open the page that has the date 31/7/2020. Where you find this picture, now what you will do is you will draw the line that has draw the line to the picture that has the sound P. Shall we go ahead and do it? What is this? It's a pan. P. So draw a line. P. Car. Do you hear the sound P in a car? No. So you will not draw a line. Then it's a pencil. P. You will draw a line. It's a parrot. P. So you are able to hear it. So you will draw a line. Then penguin. Penguin. P. Draw a line. It's a purse. You hear the sound P? Yes. Then you will draw a line. What is this? It's a clock. Are you able to hear the sound P? No, right? So you will not draw a line. So you will draw the lines for pan, pencil, parrot, penguin and purse. Then you have the place to trace and write P. Okay? Premon children, please open your notebook, English notebook, and you'll be able to see this picture, a beautiful peacock. Picture of a peacock. So P as in peacock. What you will do is, as usual, you will trace along P. You will take out your favorite crayons, favorite colors, and you will start tracing along and create a rainbow P. Colorful P. Okay? Then here you will circle P. Wherever P is there, you will find it out and you will circle P. We'll do one for you. See, where is P? Is it P? P. 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 Yes, so you will circle. Circle P. Do for the rest of the exercise. Then you will go to the next page and you will circle P. Draw a line or circle P. You will just circle P. Pan, pencil, parrot, penguin, purse. Do you hear the sound P in car? No. And clock? No. So, pan, pencil, parrot, penguin, purse. Okay? Fine. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.